In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download large files from Dropbox. If you need to download a large file or even a large folder from Dropbox, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic method using the Dropbox website, and I'll also point out what to expect along the way so the download goes smoothly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're there, log into your account. After you've signed in, look for the Files section and click on it. This is where your stored content is organized, and it's the easiest place to locate the item you want to download. Now, find the large file or folder you want to save to your computer. If you have a lot of content in your account, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct item before downloading, especially if the file is large and may take some time to prepare and transfer. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder. If you're using a device or browser where right-clicking isn't convenient, you can also click the three-dot menu next to the item. This opens the available actions for that file or folder. From that menu, click Download. After that, Dropbox will begin preparing the download. This part is important because large files and folders may not start downloading instantly. Depending on the size of the item and your internet connection, you may need to wait a little while. So if nothing happens immediately, that's completely normal. Just give Dropbox time to process it. If you're downloading a large folder, Dropbox will usually package it as a zip file before sending it to your computer. That means instead of downloading each item separately, you'll receive one compressed file containing everything inside the folder. After the download finishes, you can open or extract that zip file on your computer to access the contents. A helpful tip here is to make sure you have enough free storage space on your device before starting the download, especially for very large folders. It's also a good idea to keep your browser open while Dropbox prepares the file, so the process isn't interrupted, and that's it. Open Dropbox, sign in, go to Files, locate your large file or folder, open the menu, and click Download. Then simply wait for Dropbox to prepare the file, and remember that large folders will download as a zip file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.